Hey everyone, I need to tell you something that's been bothering me for months. Everyone is using Claude Code wrong, and I can prove it. This is what 90% of Claude Code projects look like. Same shared CN components, same boring layouts, same predictable user interface. It's like everyone is building from the same template. And when developers hit a complex problem, they just throw it at Claude Code without any planning. The result? Broken architecture, inconsistent code, and hours of debugging that could have been avoided. I was guilty of this too, until I discovered that Claude Code has advanced features that most people don't even know exist. Features that turn it from a basic code generator into an intelligent development partner. Today, I am revealing every advanced technique I use, the planning strategies, the content management, the workflow optimizations that makes Claude Code actually understand your vision instead of giving you generic solutions. Ready to stop building boring apps? Let's go. Let's start with plan mode. How many times have you asked Claude Code to build something complex and it starts writing code immediately? No planning, no architecture thinking, just straight into coding. This leads to messy code, missed requirements, and lot of revisions. Plan mode changes this completely. Instead of jumping into code, Claude Code first creates a detailed plan, shows it to you for approval, and then executes this step by step. To activate plan mode, simply press Shift and tap twice. Let me show you a real example. Let's say I want to build a REST API testing tool similar to Postman. Instead of just asking for code, I will use plan mode. These are the instructions I gave it to Claude, and watch what happens. Claude will first analyze the requirement, create a comprehensive plan with project structure and architecture, database design, API endpoints, front-end components, and step-by-step implementation approach. The beauty of this plan mode is that you can review this plan, give feedback, and only then Claude to execute it. This prevents those frustrating rewrites, ensures you get exactly what you need. Use phrases like think hard or ultra think to make Claude go even deeper in analysis. For complex projects, I always use plan mode first. Next problem is Claude trying to do everything in one conversation. Code review, debugging, testing, documentation, all mixed together. This creates confusion and reduces quality of each task. Sub-agents solve this by creating specialized AI assistants. Think of them as development team members, each expert in one area. To create sub-agents, type /agents in Claude Code. Let me show you how to build a complete team. First, let's create a code review agent. Code review agent is responsible for code quality and best practices, finding out security vulnerabilities, performance optimizations. This agent will only review code. No writing, no debugging, just pure code review expertise. For our REST API project, let's create a specialized testing agent. So I will paste some instructions for specialized testing. So testing agent is responsible for writing test cases, validate required response formats, performance testing strategies. Focus only on testing, no implementations. Let's create a documentation specialist agent. This agent is responsible for writing user guides and tutorials, code commits, readme files, and etc. Once created, you can invoke them manually by typing @agent or let Claude Code automatically choose the right agent for each task. The power is that each agent has its own context window and specialized tools. Your code reviewer won't get confused by testing discussions, and your tester won't try to write production code. The third issue is Claude Code responses are too verbose or too brief to your needs. Sometimes you want detailed explanations, sometimes you want clean code with minimal comments. Output styles let you completely customize how Claude Code responds. You can make it behave like a senior developer, a code reviewer, or even a specific type of consultant. You can also build your custom output style, so you can just type /output style new and describe what you want. For example, I can try REST API developer style. Let me create a style perfect for our API development. So this is the style I am going to create. To use this style, just type /output style REST API developer, and now responses will follow this format. This is incredibly powerful when working on specific types of project. You can have different styles for front-end work, back-end APIs, data analysis, or debugging sessions. Fourth problem is manual repetitive tasks that you forget to do. Code formatting, running tests, committing to Git, updating documentation. This should happen automatically. Hooks are automated commands that run at specific points in Claude Code lifecycle. Think of them as personal development assistant that never forgets. There are 4 main hook events: pre-tool use before Claude runs any command, post-tool use after Claude completes a task, notification when specific event happens, stop when Claude finishes the session. Let me show you practical example of our REST API project. To create a new hook, you can type /hooks and select hooks. Let me create a hook that will automatically formats and links any JavaScript files that Claude Code modifies. So I will select post tool use. I will add a matcher. I will select edit as a matcher because we want to run our hook whenever an edit happens. You can select add new hook. It will ask for the command. So I can paste this command. You can see this hook got added now. Now whenever Claude modifies any JavaScript file, you can see it runs this hook automatically. And the next problem is Claude Code works in isolation. It can't access your database, can't connect to your cloud services, can't integrate with your tools like Postman, Jira or Slack. MCP servers solve this by letting Claude Code connect to external tools and services. Think of them as bridge between Claude and your entire development ecosystem. There are pre-built MCP servers for Google Drive and Docs, Slack integration, database connections, cloud services, and many more. We can use this command to install the GitHub MCP server. Let me show you the complete workflow from receiving a bug report to having a Claude automatically fix it and create a pull request. Let's say we are working on our REST API testing tool and a user reports a bug. Instead of manually investigating this, let's have Claude to handle this entire workflow. First, I will ask Claude to create a proper GitHub issue. Claude automatically creates a professionally format issue with this template. Now, I will ask Claude to solve this issue completely. Claude reads the GitHub issue to understand the problem, analyzes the code base to find the problem, identifies the bug in a file, creates a fix with proper error handling, tests the solution to ensure it works, creates a new branch and makes a commit with the descriptive message. Then Claude creates a pull request with a detailed explanation what the fix is. This is amazing. This GitHub MCP integration transforms Claude Code from coding assistant into complete development workflow automation tool. It's like having a senior developer who never sleeps, never forgets, and can work across all your repositories simultaneously. So with these techniques, you will build a better architecture with plan mode, get expert level assistant with sub agents, maintain consistency with output styles, automate repetitive tasks with hooks, integrate your entire toolchain with MCP servers. If this video helped you understand Claude Code better, please like and subscribe. I post new AI development tutorials every week. Please let me know which technique you found most useful. And if you want to see more advanced tutorials like this, hit notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.